It's no secret we don't truly know who has access to our information. More so, what data of ours is stored by the apps we use on a daily basis. We don't even have the ability to manage the data we've shared. Here at ShareRing, we know how sensitive your data is. That's why we've created Vault Query Language, or VQL, a web-based platform to facilitate the selective sharing of your personal information digitally. Here's how it works. You'll be presented with a QR code that's been generated on VQL, most likely by the organization or entity behind the experience you are wanting to engage with. Open your ShareRing app and scan the QR code. A message will appear on your phone, and you'll be prompted to share and grant access to selective information within your vault. Choose to grant or decline access. If you've granted access, only the requested information will be shared from your vault. It's that easy. VQL not only makes your digital life more seamless, it gives you control and visibility over your data and how it's being accessed. Manage your data securely. To learn more about VQL, visit sharering.network/VQL and download the ShareRing app today.